Hey guys, welcome back. So it is currently 8:50 a.m. and I am about to head to my flight to Vegas. So I thought it'd be fun to film all my outfits that I'm wearing out there, starting with this one. I'm just wearing this on the plane, just, you know, cute, cozy, fun. So I'm just wearing like these biker shorts and this Gymshark tank. And like a nice, just, what is this? Like zip up hoodie, because it's gonna be cold on the plane. So yeah, I will probably write where I got everything in the description. So hope y'all enjoy.
I mean, don't you want all those million people to see your ass? Hmm? Hey, show your ass.
I'm showing it!
Your friend Caroline.